If you want to delete single column in Word document, then follow these steps. First, select the column using a mouse or a keyboard that you want to delete. Under the table layout option, you will see the option of delete. Click on the drop down and here you need to select this option, delete columns. After clicking on it, the column will be deleted. Next, you can also select the column, right click and then click on delete columns to delete the selected column. Next, the keyboard shortcut to delete single column is after selecting the column, press backspace button on your keyboard. Click on that like button, comment below and let me know if this video solved your problem. And don't forget to check out these useful videos if you want to learn more about tables in Microsoft Word. And don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon